Joshua, what are you opening?
I'll tell you when it's open.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, you want to skip ahead.
Fast
Push
forward.
the plus 15 second button or whatever.
Plus 15 and then plus 15 more.
Okay, guess what? So,
Show
here's my unboxing video.
Show the paper.
What?
Is there paper in there?
Yeah.
Cute.
We have Overtone Extreme Orange Coloring Conditioner. I need to cut my nails. But this is extremely orange hair dye that we're going to put into our hair.
And Joshua's eyebrows.
And
Stay tuned.
actually, I think I actually will put it in my eyebrows. You're like
3, 2, 1.
Got a blast. Okay, that was the wrong one. Unscrewing it.
What is inside?
Should I take that off?
Don't get on the couch, Mom.
I will
kill
definitely
you.
not get art.
Put it over the ball.
Oh my gosh. It looks like ketchup. Oh, honey.
Okay, now close it again.
Okay, so we're gonna be little ketchup heads.
Please. I hope it turns our hair like ketchup orange.
I really hope I have Ariel mermaid hair in 2 hours.
Then it was time to go outside.
Joshua, show us your hair.
Yeah, this is my hair.
Actually, I feel like
right
you
now.
can't even see what color it is.
Do you want to look at it in the sun or something?
Go over. Let's go in the sun.
Okay.
So we need to get a good before and after of our hair colors. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go.
How light is it in the sun?
I mean, I can't really see because it's bright, but it's definitely brown.
Yeah, it's brown.
All right. Now my hair.
Brown. Yeah. But lighter than mine. Here you go.
My feet are burning on the patio.
Okay, then. Okay.
I should have opened this before I put my gloves on.
Okay, well, we're about to, there's a spider hanging from your phone. I got it.
Sick.
How'd that even happen? Anyway, so she's gonna put it all up in my hair, which I desperately need a haircut.
It smells interesting.
It looks like ketchup, so.
Minty fresh. Okay, I'm putting my gloves on. Oh, I'm getting my scrunchie off.
Mhm.
Sorry. Delaying. Please. Please hold.
So yeah, we're gonna see what it does to my hair.
All right.
Okay.
First swipe. Looks like blood is going in.
Don't be shy. Put some more. That's a Vine
Try
or
some
something.
more.
No, it's a TikTok. I don't know.
Or don't
I think
be
you have to
shy.
put. You have to put a lot more than
No, I know,
that
I'm
in
just
it.
trying to get this off of the lid. I'm trying to not waste any. And then I'll go back in with the jar.
Yeah, let's not waste any.
Okay.
Okay, so I've gone. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh.
You have a big scoop for your first glop.
Very nice.
Joshua!
I just pet your head.
Don't dilly dally.
My pretty. What do you mean? I'm dilly.
Mom's just standing at the
dilly-dallying.
door.
Putting it in a lot. I get all the way down to the scalp.
Interesting method here.
My method is getting it in all of your hairs.
Final check-in. We both have as much dye in our hair as we're gonna get, so
Because the dye's gone. We used it.
the dye is gone. So both gonna shower and then well wait 10 minutes and then shower and then
And we'll
check back in. Okay, it's been about what, 2 hours, hour and a half?
No, an hour.
It's been an hour and this is my hair. I think once I blow dry it, it'll be more evident, but it's kind of like in random parts. This is Joshua's hair.
Mine's pretty red.
I think he looks like Archie from Riverdale. So overall, did you have an enjoyable experience?
Mm-hmm.
Would you recommend Overtone TM?
Yes, actually. Well, I first want to see how long it lasts before I.
Yeah, we'll give a further review later and blow dry our hair more. So thanks for coming along on this journey with us. And be sure to
Like and subscribe.
and try Overtone and let us know how it goes. Also, it feels really nice when you wash it out because it's like conditioner.
It is conditioner.
Also, yes. Also, it stains your shower. Also, it takes like
Also saves
10
your
minutes
hands.
in your hands. Oh, yours are way more stained than
I
mine.
have an orange hand. You can't really tell, but they're
No.
orange.
Also, it takes a long time to wash it out. It's not just like a rinse, and then you're done. So, anyway, bye.